Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you set up your Apple Watch Ultra. First, unbox your new device and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, bring your iPhone close to the watch. Your iPhone will detect the watch and prompt you to begin the pairing process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to choose whether to set it up for yourself or for a family member, making the initial connection seamless and straightforward. Once paired, it's time to personalize your Apple Watch Ultra. You'll be asked to select which wrist you'll wear it on, either left or right, and then adjust the band for a snug, comfortable fit. Next, you can customize settings like text size and bold text for better readability, and set up a secure passcode. Finally, decide on enabling cellular, Wi-Fi, and location services to best suit your daily needs and preferences. Now that your watch is set up, let's explore some essential apps and features. Dive into the workout app to track over 100 different activities, or use the compass for navigation. Don't forget to set up Apple Pay for convenient contactless payments right from your wrist. You can also configure notifications to stay informed. Plus, customize the unique action button for quick access to your favorite functions, like starting a dive or a specific workout. Finally, let's ensure your safety and well-being with the Apple Watch Ultra's advanced health features. Enable fall detection and emergency SOS for critical assistance when you need it most. Monitor vital signs like your heart rate and blood oxygen levels, and track your sleep patterns for better health insights. For adventurers, the Depth app provides real-time readings of your current depth and water temperature down to 40 meters, enhancing your underwater experiences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.